lambda functions. So let's explore it. What are lambda functions? Well, lambda functions are just functions without body or without indentation in Python. We have lambda functions in Java too. I believe it's Java 8. Java 8 introduced the lambda functions, and its common notations are this or this. I can spell it. Yeah, it's auto completed. Okay, let's comment it. This notation is for JavaScript, Java, and Dart. I don't know if any other language uses it. And this lambda word is for Python. So let's see how we create a normal function in Python. So let me start the code. So def fun a comma b. I'm gonna return the product of these two numbers. So return a star p, and let me call this function, let's say 5 comma 4. So the output should be 20. Let's see what's its name. It's okay, lambda intro.py. I need to print the value returned by a function. So okay, it's 20. Okay, so let's see how we can use a lambda function to do the same task but with a smaller code. Okay, so we can do this something like this: lambda x comma y, x comma y, and x star y. And if I print this a by passing, let's say 4 comma 3, I should get the result 12. Okay, so as you can see, this 3 lines of code is converted into these 2 lines of codes using lambda function. And trust me, we can reduce the lines. So what can I do? We can do something like this: lambda x comma y and x star y, and then let me pass 5 comma 7. Don't crash. Okay, so we got a lambda function here. We can do this to print the value. So let's run it again, and yeah, we got 5 into 7, which is equal to 35. We all know this basic math. Okay, so you can see these 3 lines of codes are converted to just a single line of code. And Python is known for its small size of code. Yeah, same code in Java can be of 300 lines, but if you write the same code in Python, it converted into like 100 lines of codes. So Python is known for its compact sizes of codes or programs, and lambda functions are a part of it. Lambda functions are used in web development and so many other languages like Dart. We are using Flutter. Flutter is a framework. I should not talk about other languages here, but just out of curiosity. So Flutter is a framework which allows you to build cross-platform apps. So Flutter uses a lot of lambda functions, and learning this lambda function is very important. So that's all for this video. You can experiment with the number of arguments. You can pass more arguments here, and you can do some really complex calculations also. So let's do this, and let me pass no, yeah, let me pass one more value. So I've had 35, and then I'm passing 5 again, so the output should be 40. And yeah, it printed 40 in the terminal. So you can do much more, believe me. Lambda functions are super powerful and also super easy to learn. So that's all for this video, and in the upcoming videos we are going to take a look at the map function, the reduce function, and the filter function. These are often used with Lambda functions because I will see in the next video. That's all. Thanks. Bye.